Module overview. This foundational module introduces the concepts, theories, principles, and historical evolution of federalism and local government administration. It explores the intellectual origins of federal political systems, the core philosophical and ideological underpinnings of decentralization, and how these concepts have been institutionalized in modern governance systems. Emphasis is placed on understanding the theoretical distinctions between federal, unitary, and confederal systems, and how local governance functions within each. This module establishes a conceptual framework that informs the rest of the course. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you should be able to define and explain the meaning of federalism and local government administration, distinguish among the different systems of government, federal, unitary, and confederal, understand the theoretical foundations and philosophical justifications for federalism and decentralization, discuss the origins and evolution of federal political systems in historical and comparative contexts, identify the core principles of local government administration and their relevance in a federal system. Definition and meaning of federalism. Federalism is a political system in which sovereignty is constitutionally divided between a central, national government and subnational units, states, provinces, or regions, each of which retains significant independent powers. It is designed to accommodate diversity, promote autonomy, and balance unity with regional variation. Types of political systems. Unitary system. Power is centralized. Subnational entities derive authority from the central government. Federal system. Power is constitutionally shared between levels of government. Confederal system. A union of sovereign states with a weak central authority. Origins and evolution of federalism. The concept of federalism can be traced back to ancient leagues and confederations, e.g., the Greek city-states, but modern federalism emerged with the United States Constitution, 1787. Other examples include Switzerland, Germany, Canada, India, and Nigeria, each with unique adaptations of federal principles. Theoretical foundations. Contractual theory. Federalism arises from a social or political compact among equal entities to form a union. Ethno-regional theory. Federalism as a response to managing ethnic, cultural, or linguistic diversity. Administrative efficiency theory. Federalism enables more efficient and responsive governance by distributing power closer to the people. Core principles of federalism. Period. Autonomy. Each level of government is autonomous within its sphere. Supremacy of the Constitution. The Constitution defines and protects the distribution of powers. Non-centralization. Authority is not concentrated in one level. Mutuality and cooperation. Shared rule and self-rule are harmonized. Judicial review. Courts enforce the constitutional division of powers. Local government administration. Local governments are decentralized entities empowered to manage local affairs. In federal systems, they function as third-tier governments, providing public goods and services, facilitating participatory governance, and acting as vehicles for community development. Theory supporting local government. Democratic participatory theory emphasizes citizen involvement and grassroots democracy. Efficiency theory. Local governments can tailor services to local needs. Developmental theory promotes local development and empowerment. Decentralization theory advocates for the dispersion of power to ensure equity and inclusion. Historical development of local government. Local governance has roots in ancient communities and city-states. In modern democracies, it gained prominence during colonial and post-colonial administrative reforms, especially in Africa, Asia, and Latin America, where local government was promoted as a vehicle for democratization and national integration. Comparative federal systems. United States. Strong state rights and judicial review. Nigeria. constitutionally entrenched federal structure with local governments as third-tier units. India, a quasi-federal structure with Panchayati Raj institutions. Germany, cooperative federalism and fiscal equalization. Challenges to federalism and local governance: over-centralization, fiscal dependency, ethnic or regional tension, weak institutional capacity, political interference. Conclusion: this module provides a comprehensive intellectual foundation for understanding the structure and function of federal and local governance systems. It enables you to grasp the interplay of power, responsibility, and representation in multi-level governance, and sets the stage for more specialized discussions in subsequent modules.